Hi everyone, my name is Lavanya Datti. In this video, I am going to explain the law objective and the evolution of the embeddings. For this, we use the weighing function. For the weighting function, we use the formula of the f of x is equals to the x by x maximum of alpha. Here we take care x maximum is equals to the 100 and the alpha is equals to the 0.75. By using these values, we found that f of 5 is equals to the 0.1057 and f of 50 is equals to the 0.5946 and the f of 100 and the 200 we got that 1 as the result. These are the values of the weighting function increases with the count and it becomes 1 at 100. Next, we are calculating the weighted squared error. Here, weighted squared error is taking x I z is equals to the 50, y I transpose v z is equals to 1.2, and the bi is equals to 0.3, bj is equals to the 0.2. The predicted value is equals to the 1.2 plus 1, 0.3 plus 0.2 is equals to the 1.7. And the actual value is 3.9120. The error is equals to the predicted value minus actual value. So that minus 2.2120. The next squared error 1.700 minus 3.9120 whole square is equals to the 4.8930. And the next weighting factor is equals to the f of 50 is equals to 0.5946. Therefore, the weighted squared error is 2.9094. In the next, we are deriving the v of I. These are the questions. V of I transpose v of j plus bi plus bj is equals to the log I of x of I comma z. For this co-occurrence counts, we use the probability of j by I is equals to the x of ij by xi. Similarly, we are calculating the symmetric structure and the absorbing the imaginary frequency terms into the biases. Finally, we found that Vi transpose Vj plus Bi plus Bj is similarly log of xij. Thus, the bias terms can absorb the one-word frequency terms, where minus 1 by 2 log xi and the minus 1 by 2 log xj. Here, Vi is equals to Vi and the Vj are the word vectors and Bi and the Bj are the bias terms and the xi is the co-occurrence counts. The logarithm reduces the effect of extremely large counts. In the next, Spearman correlations. This is the table which is we found by using the word pairs. Woman model, woman rank, model rank and the T. The next, we are calculating the row value is 0.9000 by the using the formula of row, and we are taking 5 word pairs. Sigma of d square is equals to the 2. Thus n is equals to the 5. So the model has the strong rank agreement with the human scores for these small example. Next one, analogy evolutions. This analogy evolution is a sister minus brother plus grandson is the analogy. So that we are finding the The granddaughter. Granddaughter is equals to the 1.4150. This is the value of the granddaughter 1.1608. Similarly, this is for the cosine similarities. Cos of t comma granddaughter is this and the t comma nephew and t comma uncle. Therefore, these are the nearest neighbors is the granddaughter and the analogy resolves it correctly. Therefore, the final answer is the granddaughter. Thank you.